how to insert and add a link on Google Docs document on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, just follow with me. First thing, choose the place where you want to add the link and go to the top, click on insert. Now go here, go down, click on link, add the text. For example, let's say our website, and here add the link of the website and click apply. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.